So the purpose of this video is to do a quick demo and show that two different DBs are synchronized using Kafka and different Debezium connectors. Okay, so let's, this is our YAML file. Basically, a quick overview is that we have 5 different services. The connector, it uses the Debezium connector and it uses a custom Docker image, which is over here. And when I run the service, 5 different containers start running, and let's warm them up. Okay, that is it. Now the 5 different containers are starting. We can verify the contents of 2 different DBs and the test DB and the postgres DB. So the postgres DB is the one that will be populating and then seeing the changes in the test DB. This is the one where the changes should get reflected, whatever we make over here. Right now there's an error and that is expected. Okay, so now for the Postgres DB, we'll create a schema. We'll create a table with subscription where the primary key is email, and then we'll have a status, and then we'll populate it with dummy values. Okay, so that was successful. We added 16 different rows, and now verify the contents. So test DB should still be empty because we haven't really started the connectors. And the Postgres is the one where we have all the data available. Now let's start the connectors. This connector was successful, and now let's run the sync connector. Again, we have a 201, so that got created successfully. And this, as soon as the connectors start kicking in and they subscribe to the Kafka topic, they will actually start the job and synchronize both the databases. So now the test DB should have actually the values which should mimic the Postgres. The actual task is to perform the CRUD operation on the Postgres DB, the DB1, and see if the changes get reflected in test DB2. And for that, we will actually update a subscription. So over here, example 2 is inactive. We'll set it to active, and let's run this command and verify over here, and it got changed. So it is updated to active in the test DB, and we made the changes to actually the DB1. Again, let's actually create a new record and see if that change get reflected. Yeah, it does. And now let's delete it. And if we delete it, we'll see that the email, the primary key that we updated it, got deleted. That's pretty much it. For the rest of the details, feel free to see the GitHub repo with the detailed comments. Thank you.